Here. You know what? Fuck that shit. I'm going right over that mother. Glenn.
Yes.
Me motherfucker. This dude is right. Patrick. Patrick. How the fuck do you tear some shit up like that? And it's on a damn trailer. You need to know how to drive, kid. What do you mean behind the wheel? Keep your ass at that desk. That's all I'm saying, kid. Dude. Excuse me. Really? This man, boy. Hey, cameraman. Let's go. Let's go and check out this dent. The deputy chief doesn't know how to drive. Come, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Come on. Is that right there? Where's the captain? Where's the captain? Where's the captain? Captain.
I'm gonna pee myself.
And you see
We're
this
in a
shit?
light trailer
And
here.
you see this shit right here. Here. See my eyes? See them? I just want to go. Damn motherfucking shit. Patrick. Come here, Pat.
Okay.
Pat.
Okay,
Pat.
come here.
Patrick.
Pat, come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here, Pat. That is all you, my friend.
Yes, it is
You.
all me.
Okay. He's just gonna let you know. You know. This dude can't drive shit. Say what?
But at least I didn't do like one other person.